So I had some recent failures trying to mark on this 1mm acrylic. You may have seen the video. So I want to try it again, and we're going to do one that is coated with permanent marker and one that is coated with black acrylic flat paint. So when you're using this plate, I done it earlier without this plate, and I don't know if it shows up good, but there is a permanent mark right here from me not knowing what I'm doing. But once you raise off the bed, you have to recalibrate with the by moving the module up or down, and it's really hard to see. So if you just lay something, make sure it's flat, then you can pull those back together, get calibrated. And I think we'll do this, the one that's covered in permanent marker. Probably would have been smarter to use some dry erase marker. But we're going to close this up, jump in xTool Studio. I keep wanting to say Lightburn. We'll jump in there and set something up. Okay, so here we are in xTool Studio. I've got this AI family. I got ChatGPT to put together for me. I just done an image and then done a simple outline so I could burn it as a vector. I just got some settings. I'm going to do a 30% power, 200 millimeters per second, and I've got it set for diode, blue light. So let's do a refresh of the background, see what we get. One thing I don't like with this is, I don't know if I can change the color of this or not, but I just know with it being black, I can't see it until I set it and then scroll over it. That looks pretty centered, so we'll go with that. We'll run this one first, and then we will run the one with paint. All right, we're going to click Process and Start, and hit the button on the controller. Here we go. I think I'm going to run it again, just for good measure. All right, let's finish that off, and we'll trade it out for the painted one. And this is not tempera paint. This is just regular old Hobby Lobby acrylic paint. All right, let's get another background refresh. There we go. At least we can see the family now. I'll just go ahead and set this for 2 passes to start with. That way I won't have to rerun it. All right, 2 passes. All right, let's run it, see what we get. All right, there we go. I'm gonna clean these off, and we'll take a look at them. Okay, got them cleaned up. Here's the marker. I'm gonna try to make this so you can see it pretty good. That's the marker. I just cleaned it off with some alcohol, And here is the paint. So they're both done pretty good. I think the marker might have done better. So, all right, hopefully that helps somebody out. I got a better result than I did the last time I tried it, which was really bad. I'll put a link to that video down in the description. You can check it out if you like. So I appreciate you folks watching. And if you got questions, let me know. Check back often for new videos. You folks take care. And we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.